Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to copy or link to your Excel worksheet document in your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So let's take a look how to do that. Here is the example. I have a Excel worksheet document and I would like to copy this or link this document into my PowerPoint presentation. Simply select the text or document you would like to. Simply select that and simply click on copy. And after that, open your PowerPoint presentation document, and I'm going to make it layout, change this layout to blank. And here I have to paste that here whatever I copy. Simply click on this paste, and here you will find paste special. Simply click over there and you will find here Microsoft Excel worksheet object. Simply select this and then simply click on OK, and after that you will see that Microsoft PowerPoint worksheet text or document will appear on your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Simply you can resize this or move around, and if you like to edit any figure you can do so. Simply just click here and then it will pop up Microsoft Excel, and here you can type whatever you want to change the figure, and then simply if you click here and it will go and it will automatically update that presentation. So also you can add any transition if you like to make your PowerPoint presentation more suitable. So this is how you can link or copy Microsoft Excel presentation or any document to your PowerPoint. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.